It's a great day for hockey cards, and today we're going to take a look at 2020-2021 Upper Deck Series 2 hockey with John Tavares on the box. We had 24 packs in the box with 8 cards per pack. Young Guns are generally the thing we're searching for in Upper Deck. Specifically this year, Kirill Kaprizov is the young gun that is currently most desired, I think, in this box of Series 2. We should get at least 6 Young Guns in here, and because this is Series 2, we should also hit some O-Pee-Chee updates, which are always controversial. But I look at it as just another way to get some more rookie cards. Get that guy centered, and let's jump right into this box of Series 2. Hope everyone out there is having a good week so far. A lot going on in these parts. I've been a busy person. Mattias Ekholm, Seth Jones, Jesper Bratt, Tyler Bertuzzi, and our first card insert, I should say, is a Drew Doughty. Canvas. Sorry, I said Drew Doughty, but it's canvas. The Hammer, Anthony Beauvillier, and Chris Tierney. So we recently opened another box of this. It was maybe a week ago. Tucker Pullman, Jordy Ben, Shea Theodore, Cale Makar, and another canvas of Sam Reinhart. I do have a couple boxes of this stashed away. Ryan Zingle, Paul Biron, and Carter Rowney. I bought a few boxes shortly after this came out. It actually went on sale. And that's generally, if you follow the channel, that's pretty much when I try and buy everything except for new releases. It goes on sale, or I think it's a good deal, I'll buy a decent amount of it. Patrick Marleau, probably more than I should. Anders Bjork. We've got a Series 2 checklist with Kane and Draisaitl, and here's a pretty good one. We've got Dylan Cousins, young gun, for your Buffalo Sabres. Brandon Montour, Damon Severson, Brent Burns, and Corey Perry. So at this point, most teams have been eliminated from the NHL playoffs. Everyone's probably looking forward to the off season. It's always exciting. It seems like in the off season, it's like a new chance to get something to be excited about. Pierre-Edouard Bellemare. There's Vasilevsky. We've got Gustav Nyquist, and we've got a marquee rookie, O-Pee-Chee, of Steven Lorentz, Jonathan Huberdeau, Antti Ranta, Valtteri Filppula, and Jordan Staal in that gorgeous Whalers jersey. Andre Palat, Jacob Voracek, Pekka Rinne. It looks like we're going to get a double insert. Double insert alert! There's Tony DeAngelo, canvas, and then we've got a Zach Parise, Dazzler. Well, that doesn't happen too often. There's Elias Pettersson and Patrick Laine. Brett Connolly, Alexander Nylander, Nick Schmaltz, Logan Couture, and looks like we have a young gun canvas of Alexander Barbanov for the Maple Leafs. It's always nice to hit. David Kampf, Jesperi Kotkaniemi, and JVR. Matt Roy, Sidney Adult, we've got Mikko Rantanen, Marcus Foligno, Andre Palat. Oh, that is a Palat clear cut. Look at that. Those are definitely nice. Palat, key piece of some Stanley Cup winners. Adam Boquist, Jake Gardner, and Anthony Mantha. Oscar Sundqvist, Tyler Bozak, got Ben Hutton. We've got a marquee rookie of Ty Dellandrea. That's a retro rookie. Roman Josi, Ryan Getzlaff, Jaden Schwartz, and Marcus Sorensen. Chris Kreider, Radek Faksa, Michael Amadio, and Joel Kelman. I don't believe I know who that is. I don't think I've ever seen him play. What do you know about Joel Kelman? Let me know in the comments. Cody Glass. I know I have a couple San Jose Sharks fans that watch regularly. Mark Giordano, Michael Kempney, and Ilya Mikheyev. Carey Price, Brad Marchand, Anton Strawman, and there's POJ. That's a marquee rookie update. Rasmus Anderson, Mike Smith, Scott Lawton, and Ethan Bear. Jake DeBrusk, Calvin DeHaan, Ben Sherratt, an award winner of Leon Draisaitl. There's a much bigger award that he'd like to win than the Art Ross. Troy Terry, Victor Mete, Chris Dreger, and Malcolm Subban. We were talking about the offseason a little bit earlier. I, of course, am one of the fans who's interested in the offseason because my team's done. Jared McCann. We've got Jonas Brodin, Alex Chiasson. There's Travis Dermott and David. Is it Case or is it Kasha? For the Philadelphia Flyers. Capo Caco, Sean Corrali, and Patrick Maroon. Ian Cole, Anthony Cirelli. We've got Reed Duke. It's a rookie portrait. Nick Paul, Jake Virtanen, Derek Ryan, and Andrew Mangiapane. I think that 21-22 Series 2 isn't too far from being released as this video hits the YouTubes. It's just weird because you're getting a mixture right now of the 2021 and the 21-22 products just because of how everything got pushed back. Brady Tkachuk, OEL, Matt Barzal, and we've got a marquee rookie of Alex Belzile. That is a retro as well. Ryan Hartman, Derek Brassard, Dante Fabro, and Jonas Korpisalo. Oscar Lindblom, Jeff Skinner, The Nuge, Peyton Krebs, Vince Dunn, Derek Stefan, Mario Ferraro, and Victor Arvidsson. Victor Olofsson. There we've got a Patty Kane, Ryan Pollock, Mira Heiskanen, and a marquee rookie of Emil Larmy. Peachy update there. Richard Panik, Chandler Stevenson, and Andrew Kopp. I think there's also French variants in here, and I will probably miss it, because I usually do. So if you see it, feel free to call it out for me. Claude Giroux, Andreas Athanasiou, Jordan Greenway, Adam Pellich. There's a young gun of Cole Smith. Sigmas Jurgensons, Mackenzie Weegar, and Joel Farabee. Look at that guy. He's happy. He's having a good time. Anders Nielsen, Mike Hoffman, Clayton Keller, Bobby Fabry, and Alexander Barabanov. That's the same guy we got the canvas of, but now I can't pronounce his name. So there you go. Nico Hischier, Madison Bowie, and Andrei Burakovsky. Getting down near the bottom here. Travis Zajac. We've got PLD. We've got Sebastian Aho. And we've got an MVP update. MVP prospects of Mikey Anderson. Number to 250. I don't think I've ever pulled one of these. Oh, it's a die cut. I don't think I pulled one of these as an update. That's kind of cool. Max Pacioretty, Jason Spezza, recently retired, Jack Roslovic, and Alexander Edler. Had a pretty solid career. Jason Spezza, that is. Jacob Slavin, Ryan Johansson, Cam Fowler, Justin Falk. We've got Chase Prisky, portrait rookie. Freddie Anderson, Jamie Benn, and Vlad Tarasenko. Kevin LeBlanc, Philip Hedl, David Krejci. We've got a marquee rookie of Peyton Krebs. Vince Dunn, Jonathan Quick, Marcus Pettersson, and Joel Eriksson Ek. Looks like we're down to the final three. Joel Armia. Looks like we got Adam Henrique, Henry Yokiharu, Jack Hughes, and we've got an award winner, blue parallel of Roman Josi, Nicholas Backstrom, Valery Nichushkin, and Ivan Barbashev. Brian Rust, Anton Hudobin, Andrei Svechnikov, Warren Fogle. We've got a portrait rookie of Mikey Anderson. He's the one we pulled the MVP update of. Zdeno Chara. There's a Matthews and a Petey. And Sean Walker. Final pack. Darren Helm, Sam Steele, Terry Lekkinen, and Braden Burke is our final young gun. There's Dumo, Cam Atkinson, Brad Hunt, and Yaroslav Halak. So no Kaprizov for us. We did get a really nice Dylan Cousins. But there you have it. That is 2020-2021 Upper Deck Series 2 hockey. Let me know what you think of the break in the comments below. Thanks for watching, and as always, I will see you next time.